Hello, everyone! Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast by Mark and Emma. I am Mark, and I am so excited to be here with you all today.
Good morning, Mark, and a big hello to all our listeners. It is wonderful to be back in the studio. How are things going with you today, Mark?
Honestly, Emma, I am okay, but I'm feeling a little bit stressed right now.
Oh no, why? Is everything okay?
Well, see, I am waiting for an important phone call from a client in London, and every time the phone rings, my heart starts beating really fast.
Phone anxiety. That is so common. Speaking on the phone is actually much harder than speaking face-to-face, isn't it?
Yes, it is terrible. When I speak face to face, I can see your hands, your eyes, your smile. But on the phone, I am blind. I'm so afraid I won't understand or I will say something rude.
Don't worry, Mark. That is completely normal. Even native speakers get a little nervous about important calls, but the secret is having a script in your head.
A script? You mean like a movie script?
Exactly. Professional phone calls usually follow the same pattern. If you know the pattern, you don't have to panic. You just follow the script.
That sounds amazing. I need that script, Emma. I want to pick up the phone and feel confident, not terrified.
Then let's do this. Today, we are going to learn how to answer the phone professionally, how to handle bad connections, how to take messages, and how to end the call smoothly.
Okay, I am ready. Let's start at the beginning. The phone rings. Ring, ring. What do I do?
Okay, imagine you are at your desk. The phone rings. You pick it up. What do you usually say?
Usually, I just say hello.
Hello works for your friends or your mom, but in a professional setting, just saying hello can sound a little confused. It sounds like you are surprised the phone rang.
That is true. I usually am surprised. So what should I say instead?
You need to give the caller 3 pieces of information immediately. First, the greeting. Second, your name. And third, an offer to help.
Greeting, name, offer. Okay, like this. Good morning, Mark, help.
That is a bit robot-like. Let's make it smoother. Try this. Good morning, Mark speaking. How can I help you?
Good morning, Mark speaking. How can I help you?
Approving. Mark speaking is the standard way to identify yourself. Or if you answer for the whole company, you can say, Good morning, English podcast, Mark speaking.
Good morning, English podcast, Mark speaking. That sounds very professional. It tells them they called the right place.
Exactly. It puts the caller at ease. Now, imagine the caller starts talking, but they're speaking incredibly fast, like a race car driver.
Oh, I hate that. My brain freezes. I usually just stay silent and hope they stop.
Don't stay silent. They will think you hung up. You need to manage the speed. You need a polite phrase to slow them down.
Can I say stop? You are too fast?
Ooh, a little too direct. That sounds like a police officer. Instead, blame the connection or just be polite. You can say, Sorry, could you please repeat that a little more slowly?
Sorry, could you please repeat that a little more slowly?
Yes, or simply, I didn't quite catch that. Could you say it again?
I didn't quite catch that. I like that phrase. It sounds very natural.
It is a great native phrase. It means I didn't hear it perfectly. It's very soft.
What if the connection is actually bad? What if they sound like a robot? Bzz, bzz.
Then do not pretend to hear. You must tell them. Say, I'm afraid the line is breaking up.
The line is breaking up? Like broken glass?
No, it means the signal is cutting in and out. You are breaking up. Could you please say that again?
I am afraid you are breaking up. Could you please say that again?
Perfect. Using I am afraid makes it very polite. You are not blaming them, you are blaming the technology.
Blame the technology. I can do that. Okay, so I answered and I can hear them. But what if they want to talk to you, Emma, and you are not here?
Okay, imagine I am at lunch. The caller asks, Can I speak to Emma? What do you say?
I say, she is eating, or she is not here.
It is honest, but a bit too direct. In business, we protect our colleagues' privacy a little bit. We usually say, I am afraid she is not available at the moment.
I am afraid she is not available at the moment. That sounds much better than she is eating a sandwich.
Much better. And then you must make an offer. You can say, Can I take a message? Or would you like to leave a message?
Can I take a message? Okay, what if I want to send them to your voicemail?
Then you say, Would you like to be put through to her voicemail?
Put through?
Yes, put through is a phrasal verb. It means connect. I will put you through means I will connect you.
Ah, I always said I will connect you.
That is correct too, but I will put you through sounds very native.
Hold on, I will put you through.
Close. Instead of hold on, which is a bit casual, try please hold or one moment, please.
1 moment, please. I will put you through.
Perfect. You sound like a professional receptionist now.
I feel like one. Okay, Emma, what if they give me a message, but it is complicated? Like they spell their name and it is very long. My name is Schwartz and something, and I panic because I can't write fast enough.
Don't panic. You are in control. You can ask them to spell it. Do you know how?
Spell it, please?
A little softer. Try, could you please spell that for me?
Could you please spell that for me?
And here's a pro tip. As they spell it, repeat the letters back to them. If they say A, you say A. If they say B, you say B. It slows them down and confirms you got it right.
Oh, that is smart. It forces them to go at my speed.
Exactly. It's a power move, but a polite one. And once you have the message, read it back. Say, let me just read that back to you to make sure I have got it right.
Let me just read that back to you. That creates safety. I like safety.
It prevents mistakes. There is nothing worse than a wrong phone number in a message.
Okay, I have the message. I wrote it down. Now I want to end the call, but sometimes the other person keeps talking. How do I escape?
The never-ending caller. We need the exit strategy again. Just like in small talk, you need a signal.
Do I use anyway?
You can. Anyway works on the phone too, but you usually pair it with a summary. You summarize what you will do.
Example?
Demonstrating. Anyway, Mark, I will make sure Emma gets your message as soon as she returns.
It signals we are done now.
Yes, and then you say the closing phrase. Don't just say bye.
I always say bye, click.
It's a little abrupt. Try, thanks for calling, or have a great day.
Trying, thanks for calling. Have a great day. That feels nice. It leaves a good final impression.
Exactly. The last thing they hear is your politeness.
Wow. I feel like I have a whole map for the conversation now. Start with greeting, manage the bad connection, take the message, and exit politely.
You do! You are ready for that London client.
Focused. Let's do a rapid-fire review. I want to test myself. I am going to be the receptionist, and you are the difficult caller.
Ooh, I love being the difficult caller. Okay, ring ring.
Good morning, Mark speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, yeah, I need to talk to Emma right now. It is super urgent. Is she there?
I am afraid she is not available at the moment.
Ah, fine. Can I leave a message? Tell her to call Mr. Smith.
Certainly. Could you please spell that for me?
S-M-I-T-H.
S-M-I-T-H. Got it. Let me just read that back to you. Mr. Smith.
Yes. Okay, bye.
Thanks for calling. Have a great day.
Mark, that was amazing. You didn't panic at all.
I didn't. I just followed the script. It actually felt easy.
That is the power of preparation. You sound like a native speaker.
One last question, Emma. What if I dial the wrong number? That is so embarrassing. I usually just hang up immediately.
Don't hang up. That is rude. Just say, oh, I'm so sorry. I think I have the wrong number.
I think I have the wrong number.
It happens to everyone. Just apologize and hang up. No big deal.
Okay. Be polite even when I make a mistake.
Always. Politeness is the key to professional English.
Thank you, Emma. I am actually looking at the phone now, and I am not scared. I am ready for it to ring.
That is what I like to hear. You are going to do great.
Listeners, we have a challenge for you this week.
What is the challenge?
Next time your phone rings, even if it is not in English, practice the greeting in your head. Say, "Good morning, Mark speaking." Get used to the rhythm.
Great idea. Practice makes permanent.
Well, I think we have covered everything for today.
Nice wrap up.
Thank you so much for listening to the English Learning Podcast by Mark and Emma. Good luck with your phone calls.
Thanks, everyone. Don't be afraid of the phone. You've got this. Bye.
See you next time. Bye.